Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Numbrs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Numbrs app on your device. Once the app launches, create an account or log in if you already have one. Select Add Account to start linking your bank accounts. Choose your bank from the list, or search for it using the search bar. Follow the prompts to securely log in to your online banking. After linking your accounts, allow the app to sync your transactions. Navigate to the Budget section from the main menu. Click on Create New Budget. Select the category you want to budget for, such as groceries or entertainment. Set a spending limit for that category. Repeat the process for each category you wish to budget. Once your budget is set, review your total projected expenses. Check the Overview section to monitor your spending against the budget. Watch for notifications indicating if you are nearing your budget limits. Adjust your budget as necessary by going back to the Budget section. Regularly check your spending patterns to stay within your limits. Use the insights provided in the app to make informed decisions about your finances. Explore features like reports and trends to better understand your financial habits. Make it a habit to review your budget weekly for optimal management. By following these steps, you can effectively budget with Numbrs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.